Good day, everyone, and today we will know the parsing and translation of Numbers 3:40 to 43. So I will first say the Hebrew word and then the parsing and the English translation. Wayomer sa conjunction, cal imperfect, third masculine singular, and he said. Next is Adonai, proper noun, the Lord. El, preposition, to. Moshe, proper noun, Moses. Bikod, cal imperative. Ka, call, noun, construct, all. Bikor, noun, masculine, singular, firstborn. Zakar, noun, masculine, singular, male. Livni is a preposition with a noun, construct plural of the sons of. Yisrael, proper noun, Israel. Mibin, preposition, noun, from a son of. Hodesh, noun, masculine, singular, month. Vamala, conjunction with preposition and upward. Vesa, conjunction, Pascal, imperative, second person, male, singular, and take. Et, it's a direct object marker. Mispar, noun, masculine, singular, number. Shemotam is a noun, construct plural, their names. So translation, full translation, English translation of it is, and the Lord said to Moses, count all firstborn male of the children of Israel from a month old and upward, and take the number of their names. In Numbers 3:41, Velikata, noun conjunction, kal, perfect, second person, male, singular, and you shall take. Et, direct object. Halewayim, this definite article with a noun. The Levites. Le, preposition, pronoun, for me. Ani, independent pronoun, I. Adonai, proper noun, I'm the Lord. Tahat, preposition, instead of. Kol, noun, all. Bikor, noun, masculine singular, firstborn. Bevnei Yisrael, preposition, construct plural, among the sons of Israel. Ve'et, direct object marker, and Behemet Halewayim, construct noun plus definite noun, the livestock of the Levites. Tahat, a preposition, instead of. Kol, all. Bekor, firstborn. Bevnei Yisrael, among the sons of Israel. Vehayu, vav, kal, perfect, third person, and they shall be. Le, preposition, pronoun, to me. Alewayim, definite article plus noun, masculine plural, the Levites. In the English full translation, and you shall take the Levites for me. I am the Lord, instead of all the firstborn among the Israelites, and the livestock of the Levites instead of all the firstborn among the livestock of the Israelites, and the Levites shall be mine. Continuation, Numbers 3 verse 42. Hebrew word, vaye, kod, dav conjunction, kal, imperfect, third person, masculine, singular. And he counted. Moshe, proper noun, Moses. Kaasher, conjunction, as. Siva, kal, perfect, third person, masculine, singular, he commanded. Adonai, proper noun, I'm the Lord. Oto, direct object pronoun, third masculine, singular, him. Et, direct object marker. Kol, all. Bekor, firstborn. Bivnei Israel, among the sons of Israel. And going to verse 43, Numbers 3 verse 43. Veheye, above conjunction, kal, imperfect, third person, masculine, singular. And it was. Mispa, noun, the number. Kol, all. Bikor, firstborn, noun. Zakar, noun, male. Beshem, tepedim, noun. with a verb by the name were listed, Meben Hodesh, from a son of a month, from a month old, Vamala, and upward, Likedehim, a pronoun, suffix, third person, masculine, plural, according to the registrations, Shinayim, VSRM, Aleph, numerals 2 plus 20 plus times 1,000, 22,000, and in English translation, and all the firstborn males by the number of names from a month old and upward were 22,000. So this is the translation, parsing and translation of Numbers 3 verse 40 to 43. Thank you for listening, for watching, and for looking at the video.